Welcome back. When we right-click inside of our video file, one of the things that you'll notice here is that we can edit using the transcript. So in order to do that, we can click on Transcript. We will then tell CapCut what language is being used in our video. We will then ask CapCut to transcribe the video. CapCut will then transcribe our video, and you're going to see it here in this area. What you'll then see is the transcript in the left side menu. So for example, if we were to play the video. Hello and welcome. In order to get started with Audacity, you'll need to go to your favorite search engine. So you'll see that the video is following the video that's in the timeline. So in order to edit with the transcript, what we're going to do is we can go to our transcript. Once we highlight what we want to delete, you're going to see a delete button, and you want to be careful not to use your keyboard because you can delete the file. Once you highlight, you want to look for this button that says delete, and you want to use that button in order to delete the actual text. Because as you'll see, if we click on this button, you'll see that the item is being highlighted also on the video timeline. So what we're going to do here is we're going to delete this element. And what you're going to see now is that if we play the clip from this area, the video will have adjusted. And you'll want to type in Audacity. And typically, you're going to see a... So basically, what we would do then is we would go to our video and we would then duplicate it to the place where we want it to be. We can then undo our file back to the original file and leave it as the original file. When we are ready to export, what we can do is we can go back to our home page. We can then go to our space. And we can then go to our new video. And if we play that video, hello and welcome. And you'll want to type in Audacity. And you'll notice then that the video is playing at the point at which we did the deletion. We can then export that video either to our hard drive or to our video platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.